How to find birthday date on Snapchat. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application and it will lead to you here directly. So if you have a previous conversation with the specific person that you want to know the birthday of, then you can just go directly to your chat and then just tap on that person and then get his or her information here. Now other way is go directly to your profile, and under the friend section, just tap on the my friend section and then search for that friend that you want to know the birthday. Let's say this person. Now, actually, Snapchat has this new renovation with its application. So they actually took away the rocket icon where you can see all the specific birth date of the people or your friends. And now you are bound to only see the person's zodiac sign. So as you can see here, the person's zodiac sign is Cancer. That means that person's birthday is within June 22 to July 22. And basically that is how you find birth date on Snapchat. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.